Hello, my dear viewers. Today we will learn how to solve a set of linear equations. First, I'll write the equations. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6, and 4x plus 3y is equal to 11. So, my dear students, here the key idea is to make the coefficients of x or y similar. And then we will subtract one equation from the other to remove that variable so that we can find the value of one variable. And only then we can put the value of the known variable into one of the equations to find the value of the second variable. This method is called the method of elimination. So let's see how it proceeds. Here you can choose one of the variables. I choose x, and the coefficients of x are 3 and 4. So what is the LCM of 3 and 4? LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So I want to make these coefficients here of x 12. How can I make here the coefficient of x 12? By multiplying 3 by 4. Yeah, I will multiply the whole equation by 4. So 4 multiplied by 3x is 12x plus 4 multiplied by 2 is 8y is equal to 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. And then I will multiply the second equation, 4x plus 3y, here by 3, because here you can see that here it's 4x. So I multiplied by 3 by 4x is 12x plus 3 by 3y is 9y is equal to 33. And now it's time to subtract one equation from the other. So here I will subtract this lower equation, this one. If I name it, okay, there is no need to name it right now. You can subtract this one from the upper one. So here I will change the signs. Now 12x minus 12x is 0, and 8y minus 9y is minus y, and 24 minus 33 is minus 9. So here you can see if I multiply both sides of this equation by minus 1, like here minus 1 minus into minus 9, that is equal to y is equal to 9. Okay, so I have determined the value of one variable, that is y. Y is equal to 9. Now I will write this one of the equations, original equations. So if I write here 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So now I will put the value of y here. I can choose the other equation. If you choose the other equation, it's equally valid. You can. But now you have to determine the value of the second variable. So here I will write 2 into, now in place of y I will write 9 because it is its value. And here now it's 3x plus 18 is equal to 6, and 3x is equal to, if I move this one to the other side, it will become 3x is equal to minus 12, and now I divide both sides by 3 to make x alone on one side of the equal sign. So here it's 3 cut by 3, so it's x is equal to Minus 12 by 3 is minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 9. So this is how we can solve a system of linear equations by the method of elimination. Thank you.